What if I told you that one simple habit is quietly draining your energy, hurting your confidence, and keeping you stuck in life? You feel tired, unmotivated, and trapped in a cycle you cannot escape. What if the secret to strong self-control and true masculinity has been right in front of you the whole time? Stay with me, because after hearing this, you will never look at this habit the same way again. We are going to talk about a topic nobody likes to mention, but everyone deals with. Some say it is normal, harmless, even healthy. Have you ever stopped to question that? What if I told you this so-called harmless habit is doing more damage than you think? The ancient Stoics, the smartest minds in history, knew something that modern society tries to ignore. They understood the power of discipline, the danger of endless pleasure, and the secret to true self-control. Today, I will show you what they knew so you can break free, take back your power, and change your life. The problem: why this habit is destroying you. Let's be honest, you have felt it. That guilt, that lack of motivation after doing it, that empty feeling, like something inside you is slipping away. Why? Science says each time you do this habit, your brain releases a huge amount of dopamine, the pleasure chemical. Sounds good, right? Wrong. The more you do it, the more your brain gets addicted to fast, easy pleasure. And just like any addiction, the side effects show up. You feel tired, weak, unmotivated. Your desire to reach real goals disappears because your brain already received a reward without you earning anything. The Stoics knew this long before science. They warned us, do not let your body control your mind. So what exactly did they say, and how can their wisdom set you free? The Stoic wisdom, the trap of pleasure. Seneca once wrote, "No man is free who is a slave to his body." That is exactly what happens when pleasure controls you. Every time you give in, you tell yourself, "I need this," but in truth, the habit owns you. Marcus Aurelius believed that a man who cannot control himself will never be free. The more you chase quick happiness, the more it traps you. Look at every great man in history, warriors, leaders, thinkers. They all had one thing in common. They controlled their desires. They did not let urges control their actions. That is why they became great, while others stayed weak. The solution: how to break free and take back your power to escape this trap. You must follow 3 Stoic principles: self-discipline, purpose, and using your energy the right way. 1. Self-discipline, the key to freedom. Epictetus said, "No man is truly free who is not the master of himself." Freedom begins the moment you refuse to be a slave to urges. Every time you resist, your mind becomes stronger. Soon, the urge loses its power. 2. Find your purpose. Replace the habit with meaning. The Stoics said, "A life without purpose is wasted." Most men struggle because they have nothing big to focus on. If you are building a business, learning a skill, improving your life, you do not have time for useless pleasure. 3. Use your energy wisely. Turn desire into power. Sexual energy is one of the strongest forces in a man. Waste it, and your potential is wasted. Use it, and you become unstoppable. Nikola Tesla stayed single his whole life because he used this energy to create genius inventions. Do not waste energy on short pleasure. Use it to build something great. The result: what happens when you quit? Imagine waking up with confidence, no guilt, no weakness, just strong, powerful energy. Imagine being more focused, more driven, more in control than ever before. That is what happens when you break free. Your testosterone rises, your mind becomes clear, your ambition explodes. You take control of your own mind. This is what the Stoics called true freedom. You are not just quitting a habit, you are becoming the man you were meant to be. Conclusion: the final challenge. Now you must choose. Will you stay trapped or will you rise? Will you allow allow a useless habit to steal your future, or will you take control? Remember, no great man in history let his desires rule him. The men who changed the world mastered themselves first. If you are ready to break free, take back your power, and live like a true Stoic, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Your journey to self-mastery starts now.